Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Lego Elves set 41072, Naida's Spa Secret. It has 249 pieces and a purple dolphin. I love the purple dolphin. Purple limb elements. Let's open this up. There's the purple dolphin. Cool. Bag number 1. Lots of purple. Got a loose plate here. 8x16. Nice pretty blue. Sticker sheet. And bag number 2. There's the parts. I love these Lego Elf sets. I know this one is one of the older ones. I just haven't opened it yet. Alright, so that's what you get in the box. You get 2 bags of parts and a loose plate there, a sticker sheet. Thanks for watching.